Chapter 23, Systemic Treatment of Urethral Gonorrhea. The efficacy of local treatment in repressing acute urethral gonorrhea leads many practitioners to forget the old, quote, methodic treatment, the sole reliance of our fathers. The methodic or systemic treatment of acute gonorrhea has indeed been relegated to second place. Yet it is still important, not only when repressive local treatment is inapplicable, but also as an accessory to this local treatment. The hygienic and dietetic part of the treatment is of the utmost importance. If disregarded, the best directed efforts may miscarry. Cleanliness. The parts should be washed as often as required, soap and warm water being as good as an antiseptic solution and more readily at hand. The discharge should be kept from smearing the underclothing. If the foreskin is long, the glans penis may be thrust through a slit in the center of a small square of gauze until the slit lies snugly behind the corona glandis. Thus held in place, the gauze is folded forward over the glans penis, covered by replacing the foreskin, and left puckered up and long enough to protrude in a bunch in front of the preputial orifice. Footnote: the pledget of absorbent cotton, which is so efficient when the discharge is mild, retains the more profuse discharge in contact with the head of the penis, thus preventing proper drainage of the inflamed urethra. If the prepuce is short, an apron of old cotton or linen doubled may be fastened to a string about the waist or pinned to a suspensory bandage, and the entire genitalia wrapped up in this. Or one of the penis bags furnished by the shops may be employed. Inasmuch as suspension of the testicles is advisable as a preventive of epididymitis, a, quote, jockstrap should be worn. This will act incidentally as a bag to contain the gauze or cotton garnishing the meatus. Finally, the patient must be told the danger to his eyes from contamination with his urethral pus and cautioned to touch the genitals as little as possible and to wash his hands thoroughly with soap and water every time he has touched his penis.